When we realized that, okay, Recall allows us to provide support for Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet at the same time, I think that addressed the risks or concerns in my head. I'm Kunal. I'm a senior product manager at Affinity. Affinity is primarily a relationship intelligence based CRM designed for private capital deal making. So Affinity focuses a lot on automation. Like I said, we automatically sync emails and meetings from our users' calendars and inboxes. Zoom automatically provides ways to access transcripts as well. But we ran into some limitations there. We knew if we wanted to do that, we would end up either needing our customers to always record their calls, and then we would have to access their Zoom recordings after the fact, which would also mean that if our customers weren't the one who had recording permissions, you would never have access to those calls at all. Now, personally, as a product manager, I was clear that a solution where we can only record calls where our user is the host and no other calls didn't work. We'd done some assessment of what it would take to build a bot in-house, and we knew it would be expensive. We expected that it'll take multiple developers across a quarter for us to figure out how do we spin up those bots. We recognized, okay, you need to spin up a different machine for every bot and manage that life cycle as well. We knew it would be an ongoing effort to, give it some care and keep it up and maintain it and so on. And we did an initial evaluation of integrating with Recall. From an engineering perspective, we were very clear that this solution makes considerable sense. It wasn't even a very heavy discussion on build versus buy. And we were very clear on, again, like I said, what value proposition do we want to focus on? And it's not bot management. We have a Slack channel, which is typically the first place where our engineers sort of reach out to after doing an initial investigation. Everyone at Recall has been very prompt in responding to those queries all the time. So our experience working with Recall has been very positive.